Hello friends, today I have come up with a simple home remedy to treat fine lines and wrinkles. It is a fact of life, as we age, our skin tends to become dull and loses its elasticity. The skin becomes slack and hangs loosely. Fine lines in the face become even more visible when we smile. But with some regular skincare, we can certainly protect and delay the aging of our skin. For this, the first thing to do is cleaning of our face regularly with water and a mild face wash. The second one is applying a toner. The best for this would be rose water. The third thing to do is to moisturize our skin with good cream twice a day. One of the main factors which accelerates fine lines and wrinkles in skin is ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun. So some simple steps to avoid sun rays are: first, it is always better to apply sunscreen of SPF 15 or more about 20 minutes before stepping out of your house. It will be beneficial to apply sunscreen during daytime even at home. Make sure you carry an umbrella or use a hat or scarf to cover your head. Use goggles if possible. Avoid the sun between 11 am and 3 pm when its rays are strongest. There are many anti-aging creams available in the market, but most of them are expensive. We can make anti-aging cream at home with less cost and effort. So let's see how we can make a very simple homemade anti-aging face cream. For this, we need 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps keeping our skin glowing. It is also high in fiber and antioxidants, which helps treating issues related to skin. Second, we need 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Oatmeal is considered as one of the healthiest breakfasts. At the same time, it is also best for our skin. It helps moisturizing our skin and keeps it soft and smoother. Third, we need 2 vitamin capsules or 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Vitamin E capsule is loaded with antioxidants and increases blood circulation. It helps treating fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. Almond oil is again loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which helps retaining the natural moisture of the skin. It is very light and safe for sensitive skin. Also helps improving complexion, dry skin, and reduces puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. So let's see how to make this cream. Boil flax seeds and oatmeal in half liter of water in a medium flame and stir continuously. When it turns into milky in color and becomes frothy, put off the flame and strain it with a strainer. Add vitamin E capsule or almond oil when it cools down and mix it well. This mixture can be kept for about 2 hours in the refrigerator prior to use to get it settled and become thicker. Then apply over your face and neck for about 2 to 3 minutes. This can be applied daily, and the best application time would be at night, and leave it as it is and wash your face in the morning. This cream can last for about 5 to 7 days in a refrigerator. Within a week, you will see your skin becoming more firm than before. If used regularly, it can help improving the skin tone and give radiant and glowing face. I hope you found this video useful for you. If so, do like, subscribe and share with your dear ones. We'll see you again with some more updates. Till then, bye.